This is the Tineco floor mop. You can see here it's right on its own charging station. The charging station has a plug in the back and it just plugs into a normal outlet. This is a mop and a vacuum in one. So you can see at the top here on the handle, it has a self-clean mode once it's plugged into the charging station.
Charging has commenced.
It has the on-off button, and then it has a different levels of suction and cleaning. So you can push this if you want it to have like full suction versus less suction. You can see when it's on the charging station, it tells you how what percent charged it is. And then it has two water tanks. On the front here, this is the dirty water tank. So after you use the mop, you empty this out. It does come with a spare filter, and it comes with a brush to clean the filter out too. So that's super easy to use, really user friendly, and it just pops right back in on the front here. When I have two hands, it's a little easier. And then on the back is the back water tank. You can see that here. So this just pops down. You fill this with the water and the cleaning solution and then pop it back in place. So this mop is really cool too because it is a smart mop. So it will tell you when the screen on top is red, that's when it is detecting debris on the floor. So it's going to be using a powerful suction and more cleaning solution to clean. And then when it turns blue, it means that it's cleaned up that area. So you can go over that area, it'll be red and kind of turn into blue, and then it's nice and clean. You can move on to the next section. This works really well at cleaning liquids, as well as like different small foods like little rice puffs, things like that my kids like to eat and throw on the floor. So this is a great vacuum for moms who are on the go all the time. It just works really well. It gets your floor super clean. I mopped my floor yesterday with a regular mop, and then I went over it today when this came from Amazon. And the floors were what I thought was clean, but this the water tank water was brown. So this works really well at deep cleaning your floors. So I highly recommend it. Our house smells really great and super clean now too. So if you're in the market for a new mop, this is a great one.